Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting unsupported file errors in Whisper AI. Let me show you the common causes and how to fix them. First, check your file extension. Whisper AI needs the correct extension to identify the audio format. If your file is audio but has no extension or a wrong one like .txt, rename it to .mp3 or .wav. Second, make sure you are using a supported format. Whisper accepts MP3W, MP4, M4, a 4WEMP, and a few others. If your file is in a rare format, use a free online converter to change it to MP3. Third, check for corruption. If your file is damaged or incomplete, Whisper cannot read it. Try playing the file in a media player. If it fails, re-download or re-export the original. Fourth, on the command line version, ffmpeg must be installed correctly. The file not found error, ffmpeg error, means your system cannot find ffmpeg. Reinstall ffmpeg and add it to your system path. Fifth, if you are using a local installation, model files can also cause errors. Ensure your model downloaded completely. A corrupted model file will give invalid model data errors. Re-download the model with whisper-modelbase.n. Sixth, if you are using the web version, browser extensions or firewalls can block file uploads. Try in incognito mode or disable extensions temporarily. And that is it. Check your file extension, supported format, ffmpeg installation, and model file integrity. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.